Hi, today we're at an abandoned slaughterhouse. This place looks massive. We're gonna have a look around and see what we can find.
Yeah, so this place is an abandoned slaughterhouse and it's been like this for about 13 years.
Check that out, man. The size of that big chow.
Look at that one. This is where they used to hang all the beasts, as Butcher Patter would say. This is just railing where they used to reel the animals through. Yeah. This would maybe have been a boning out hall. Use boot wash on entering and leaving production area. There's the boot wash there. Whoa, there's a Broll! What's that? Fucking just got attacked by a bird. There's the toilets. I've seen enough abandoned toilets in my life to know that you just don't go in there. So this is the locker room we're in. Once this used to be full of men, 9 o'clock in the morning, getting their gear on, about to go and work in a slaughterhouse for the day. Yeah, so this is all the upper level of the factory. There was a fires a few years back that engulfed most of it and left it like it is now. Burnt to a crisp. As you can see, the fire has done quite a bit of damage. Anything that was once metals became rusted due to rainfall. There's just loads of these massive rooms that they would have just hung the carcasses on. Carcass is quite a horrible word, but I don't really know what else to say. I don't want to say animals because I think that may be worse. So yeah, they used to use these conveyor belts, and then the lorries would have been lined up to these shutters that are here and there, and then they would have been dispatched for sale. Going to the local butcher. This looks as if it is where they used to kill the animals and then let the blood run. There's these two big holes in the ground. I'd imagine they were something to do with the drainage system to get rid of all the blood. So what's that for?
This is the lever to open up the gate to let the animals through.
So they would have came through that little hole over there?
The little hole, yeah.
And then down here to the all too soon death.
I see you back there. I see you.
We're now going on the path of which would have been many lambs' last adventure. So, well, we're kind of going backwards through it. We're kind of running away. So this would have been the pen where they used to keep all the lambs before going away for their untimely death. Yep, just like we said, sheep and cattle, this is where they would have kept them before they went through. There's some feeding troves. This is really eerie.
Well, that's us looked all about this building. It's our first slaughterhouse, so it was quite an experience to see where all those animals used to, well, see their last minutes. Some cool graffiti in there as well. We're gonna head out again next week and find another place. So be sure to keep up to date by liking, subscribing and commenting down below. We'll see you next time.